I'll discuss the definition of cause and effect. When we use the cause and effect in paragraph, we think of it what something happened or what really happened. The cause is something makes something what happened, and the effect is the result of it. For example, yeah. Hello, Ma'am Alam. I'm Jalvi Magante of CIT 03201A, Group 5 in English. I have two mistakes in my report, that's why I rate myself 3 points. The first mistake is loss of confidence, because I felt shy in front of my classmates, and I'm almost not ready to my report. That's why I don't know what I'm going to say in front of my classmates and you, Ma'am. And the last one, making poses, because of I have troubles of thinking, and as I have said, I lost my confidence. That's during the report was going on, and that's all. Thank you for listening.
About the cause and effect. Uncanny are all features of a few world ancient sacred sites. In Egypt, eerie sounds once emanated from the gigantic Colosseum, Lemon. Modern commentators suggest that sounds may have been caused by wind blowing through the oracle. Another theory is that the statues emitted high frequency ultrasound signals that were made audible to humans only by structural damage resulting from the earthquake. Some Egyptologists have come up with highly speculated theory that the ancient builders might have incorporated some factors in their structures.
Hello everyone, I'm Ariel Lam from CIT 201A, Group 5. There are just two problems that affect my report in my topic. My topic is the example, giving an example in cause and effect. One is not being prepared for my report. That's why I've lost my confidence in my report. And being lost my confidence is not having review my report. That's why I've lost my confidence. Lastly, I abide the law of Ma'am Alam. That law is reading the report in front of the class. So that's why I rate myself of 6 points. That's all. Thank you.
I'm Norman Nilangire, recording the practice one. You may open your book on page 68 for you to have a guide. I will recite the passage, and after that, I will answer the question. Right. Tumors grow from our own cells. Some tumors are malignant, cancer-causing death. Cancers that are likely to cause death if untreated. Cancer cells are harmful because they grow abnormally and rapidly. They use up nutrients and starve normal cells. Malignant tumors can grow large, causing pressure that interferes with circulation. As the cancer grows, it spreads. Idea Discussion. 3 factors that myself. The first Pauking ko, not misleading. I forgot the passage. That talking up means that confident. I talk make. I toy with make words, the complete or the whole that I understand. Make movements. Myself that move have difficult to do. That's not it a good act because I for the camera at me. Thank you.
The couple is having an argument. My example to that is that at first it was all fine. Then suddenly the wife became mad at his husband. She knew that her husband was drunk with his friends at the bar. Maybe there are some girls with him. That's why the lady became very mad at her husband. These are some examples of cause and effect in relationships that are not staying stronger and longer. An example of cause and effect sentence here is that the husband is with his friends at the bar, and in effect to that, his wife became mad at him. Another example is that the man is with some girls at the bar drinking. In effect to that, the wife became mad at his husband. Hello, I am I lack like visual after that is take to my how to take my example. I also grammar and my just my paragraph and also and all and
Good day. I'm John Daryl Sioren and my topic is all about explaining cause and effects. I'm rating myself 5. Why 5? Simply because I'm not prepared and ready to discuss my topic that day. I wrote my discussion and planned to read it in front, but sadly, I was aware that it is not allowed to read it and I didn't memorize. So instead of going on, I decided to not discuss at all. And Dr. Alam asked me why I didn't discuss my report. I didn't answer back because I'm afraid to be humiliated in front of my classmates. That's all. Thank you.